Alright my good people, and welcome back to Anointed Lady TV, your number one channel for legit information on the things and things wey dey go on for inside this our nation Nigeria. Me don come now with breaking news, me don come with updates. You know say men now don too call for the release of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, and they dey yarn say if last the federal government release Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, e go calm down the insecurity wey dey sup for inside the region. But the federal government wey dey yarn give are keeping deaf ears. They dey do as if no be them they talk to. Now, based on the unexpected RIPs and the adoptions of innocent country people dey for inside the southeast region and many other jagoda business wey dey happen for inside the region, some prominent businessmen for inside now don dey begin dey make move to fight against the hoodlums, to fight against the jagoda men wey dey cause jagoda business, now wey dey make life dey unbearable for the residents and investors for the region. And based on information wey we gather, we dey find out say these prominent businessmen, they don manage raise billions of naira, and different groups follow come together. They come put hand to raise this money. Men from Osu local government area of Imo State and their neighboring Iyala council area of Anambra State. And as these men come together, they come fund various resistance groups them in form of vigilante to go tackle the unexpected RIPs them and the hoodlums wey dey terrorize Anambra, Imo, Abia, Ebonyi and Enugu states them. And also for rural areas them across the region, we dey see dey find out say these wealthy businessmen, they secretly dey fund militias there to go counter the insurgency wey dey sup for inside the southeast. And no be lie my good people, the insecurity challenges now wey dey sup for inside the region, e don dey pass, be careful. In the last 1 week now, states for inside the southeast region, they don dey come under intense attack by gunmen. And the areas where these jagoda men they don't attack so far, they include Olu, Okigwe, Iyala and many others. And now the militant wing of the outlawed indigenous people of Biafra, wey dey known as Eastern Security Network, men don dey accuse them say now then they cause the continuous breach of security for inside the region. Many accuse them say now they no want make peace just reign for inside the region. And we still dey find out say as these men now don't come together for inside Imo State to combat insecurity, to fight against criminals wey dey linked to the indigenous people of Biafra, their Eastern Security Network, men don manage raise up to 800 million naira. And this initiative so it start for inside the year 2023, and so far they don't record notable successes. These men don't go far. These men now don't acquire 18 operational vehicles, and they don't collaborate with security forces to restore peace for inside the region. The president of the Idima Osu initiative, the men wey dey raise the funds, so they come dey yarn say the journey of this group so it starts with a gathering for inside Owerri, Imo State, where members now come dey read out a communique and they come start to dey raise the funds them. And after they don't read out the communique, come begin dey raise funds, the members of the Eastern Security Network, they come begin dey panic. They come dey burn down houses, they come dey loot goods them, and they even fall many trees. They hijack trailers and they use and take block road so that authorities no go fit pass enter the region. The president of the initiative constantly explain say the turning point come finally come when the kidnapping crisis come become unbearable. In response to that jagoda movement, the report now come meet with the Imo State governor wey be Hope Uzodinma, and the governor come grant them audience for about a month. Then based on say him now don't touchlight the matter, and he don't see and say now welcome development, he now can go collaborate with the officers of the Department of State Services, and last DSS can deploy personnel. DSS officers can go plaster for their local government areas then. So the president of the initiative constantly explain say now so then they start with one town, and from there they can begin to fight the indigenous people of Biafra, and they also constantly get support from military. They assist the military in providing AGO, maybe diesel, and PMS, maybe petrol. They still buy some food and then service the vehicles. So like this now, they get over 18 vehicles, and they don't arrange their vigilantes them. Then also businessmen for inside Eime Mbano local government area of Imo State, they yarn say then took it upon themselves to go fund small vigilante group like that to improve security for inside the area. And one of the vigilante group for the area wey dey funded by local merchants na the Unsu Security Vigilance Group. So one community leader now for the area wey dey go by the name Chief Kelechi e na come dey yarn dey give tori pipu say the vigilante dem dey do security work well for the area o. Say sometimes sef dey dey escort wealthy individuals to burials and other ceremonies just to prevent attacks by jaguda men dem. And e come still dey yarn say to hire these vigilante men dem e cheap pass to go dey carry police as escort. And e say the businessmen now wey dey among the wealthy people for inside the area, they don continue to dey fund the NSU security vigilance group, and they don also purchase patrol vehicles for the local security outfits. And the purpose of going this far to do all these levels so na sake of say they wan counter the moves of jaguda men. And no be lie my good people, the way men take dey kpai for inside the southeast region e no make sense at all. And as a matter of fact, the thing sef don even increase in the last few weeks. You know say as of Wednesday, men wey don kpai for inside Ebonyi State e don rise to 15 and many more still dey miss. And another incident sef still happen. Jaguda men now go kpai at least 6 church members, including a pastor of the Lost Chosen Church for inside Ebonyi State just last Sunday. And information sef from legit sources come later come board say the men now wey do the attacking, the men wey give the unexpected RIP, they also injure many worshippers during the attack. And just recently dem find the body of Justice Azuka wey be the member wey dey represent Onitsha North 1 constituency for inside the Anambra State House of Assembly along the second Niger Bridge in the early hours of Thursday. And this Justice Azuka wey dey yarn about so na for last year Christmas Eve na dey for adopt am. As in dey road dey come celebrate, as in dey come home for the festivities. And earlier this year for inside the month of January, one former National Human Rights Commissioner chairman wey be Professor Chidi Odinkalu, and this man come from Osu local government area of Imo State. He post for im official social media handle for the popular social media platform wey we know as X, say at least 18 people kpai in the coordinated attacks across several communities for inside im hometown. And as I'm talking to you right now, my good people, for inside Imo State, the worst hit local government areas now, as in the local government areas where jaguda business dey happen well pass na Osu, Olu and Okigwe, while others na Ide Ato North, where one council chairman wey dey go by the name Chris bin bear RIP. They been kidnap the man, then last they come kpai am, then they come separate the head from the body. So the kind insecurity challenges now dey happen for inside the southeast region, and my good people, e don mature, no be small. So me say make I update the general public. Anyhow the informate be for body now, feel free make it drop am inside our comment section. You know say now we be Anointed Lady TV, now they like give una legit information on things and things wey dey go on for inside we nation Nigeria. So if you like this update and you would like to receive more, try make you subscribe to this channel and don't forget to put on the notification bell, very important, so that as we dey bring more news dey come, now you go first receive the updates and you go even get them sharp. I dey come inside again to another legit informate for you my good people. Try make you no go anywhere.